How to install N8N on Windows. In this video, I'll show you how to install N8N on Windows computer so you can start building automations locally.
So to get started, first you need to make sure that Node.js is installed. Head over to the official Node.js website and download the Windows installer. You can do so by clicking on this Download Node.js LTS right here. Just click on that and the download will automatically start. Once installed, it will automatically include npm, which is needed to install N8N. After that, open your command prompt, which looks like this, or Windows PowerShell. In the terminal, you'll install N8N globally using npm. Once the installation is done, simply run a command to start N8N, and it will launch a local server that you can open in your browser. You'll now have access to the N8N workflow filter right on your machine. You can begin creating workflows, testing automations, and experimenting without needing a paid cloud service. To keep N8N running even when you close the terminal, you can use Windows Task Scheduler or other background running tools. Running N8N on Windows is a great choice for personal testing, learning, or even for light automation tasks. Just remember that your local machine must stay on the workflows to keep running continuously. And that's how you install N8N on Windows.